Welcome to our channel. If you've just purchased a new Samsung Galaxy phone, follow these step-by-step instructions to set it up and start using your device. Step 1. Insert your SIM card into the SIM tray if you haven't already done so. Use the SIM ejection tool provided in the box. Step 2. Press and hold the power button on the side of your phone until the Samsung logo appears. Step 3. Select your preferred language from the list when the welcome screen appears. Step 4. Tap Start to begin the setup process. Step 5. Connect to a Wi-Fi network by selecting your network from the list and entering the password. Step 6. Review and agree to Samsung's terms and conditions by checking the boxes and tapping Agree. Step 7. Choose whether to copy data from your old device using Smart Switch, restore from a backup, or set up as a new device. Step 8. Sign in to your Google account or create a new one. This is required for accessing the Play Store and Google services. Step 9. Create a Samsung account or sign in if you already have one to access Samsung exclusive features and services. Step 10. Set up biometric security by registering your fingerprint or face recognition for quick and secure unlocking. Step 11. Create a PIN, pattern, or password as a backup security method. Step 12. Choose your preferences for location services, diagnostics, and marketing communications. Then tap Finish to complete setup. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.